Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reacting to God of France's remake to Nature's Corruption. I really hope that you liked my previous video. When I looked, it got 37 views, so hope this gets more. Anyways, let's continue.
When you are dead, the people buried you next to a tree. Step 2.
Alright, so what I'm noticing with the difference of this video is there's only one Among Us guy, and the second guy has turned into a Trollch guy.
Some guys dumped toxic waste near your tombstone. Now it's devastating the tree and your dead body.
I love that.
Step 3. The toxic waste revived you as a zombie.
Okay, the low quality audio is a little loud, but I still like it. Okay. Oh wait, got the accident. Yeah, it's the same text. Right, the next one is, well, I think you already know. Okay, I'm noticing that there's different audio. It's not the same from the original. I thought they were smiling a little bit. This is where he gets nudes. Oh, he's sad. I love the spores faces. Yeah. I love how the dead body is bigger. Oh, the rock music is awesome. I don't like yeah. The rock music. Why does I feel like the zombies are smiling? I don't know. Alright, the third one is, yeah, you already know. Yeah. I just realized that's the Eiffel Tower he's eating. Or taking down, right? This part really got you. Like, every time they try to kill him, they just make him more built, more powerful. Was it a flamethrower? And it looks like that one's already dead. Oh, I don't like that face. Alright.
Yes, it's invincible. No one can stop him. Yes, we have no choice. We have to
I can't
summon
even
him.
see his
The
eyes.
weeping god.
Alright. To be continued. The Weeping God's about to be summoned. I'm not even gonna pause it. You already know what's happening. He's sad. I also like the sky on this. Why does he sound so scary now? I like it. I love how they summoned the Weeping God, and he's like, nah, I'm gonna kill you guys. Nice. I also want to know if this is a real place in the background. The end. Wait, who are those? Oh, I know them. That's God Among Us. That's the dude that made this video. That's Smack. That guy that made other accidents. And that's a German ball. To be continued. Or the last one. I don't know why, but he looks like a human. Yeah, then this guy appears. Oh, he looks different. To be continued. Alright, bye!